Hi, I'm Clara Schroeder, and I'm the author of a book about how reconnecting with nature is not just a journey to personal well-being, but also a solution to healing our world. This book delves into the profound connection between the climate crisis and mental health, weaving together insights from science, psychology, and spirituality as guiding frameworks. I was inspired to write this book during our time of climate chaos and global uncertainty, recognizing that fostering sustainable well-being and hope is more important than ever before. This book includes interviews from a range of experts in psychology and conservation, as well as stories from climate disaster survivors. If you ask me, the coolest story I share in the book is how living at a monastery in Nepal and teaching English to young Buddhist monks sparked my journey to spread well-being and compassion for all. With my background as an ecotherapist, mental resilience trainer, and outdoor guide, I bring transformative methods and practical insights that inspire positive change and drive sustainable action. My hope for this book is to help readers deepen their connection with nature, foster collective and personal growth, as well as create a lasting legacy of positive planetary impact. You'll love this book if you're passionate about nature and the outdoors, driven by personal growth, and committed to well-being for all living beings. My name is Clara Schroeder, and I'm the author of Re-Nature, A Path to Healing Yourself and Our Planet.